Happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and I know y'all can see it right behind me. We have a brand new midnight edition. This is a 2024 Keystone Cougar 355FBS, but y'all have seen some of our midnight editions before. This one's different. This is a black onyx. It is absolutely gorgeous and a little bit of a difference. We have had some of the phantom grays. This one actually has a bright Cougar sign on the front, so you can really see that it stands out. I love it. Let's check it out. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you're notified when we post a new video. Now, let's actually get into it. Before we get started on our entertainment side, I did just want to address this. We've had a ton of comments of people being worried, since it is a really dark color, that it's going to be super hot in there, and they're worried about that. Do not worry about it, guys. I know I'm not currently dressed like it, but it is almost 80 degrees here in Cookeville. I'm just a cold gal, so I like to wear pants all year round. But I was in there a second ago. It's no different than any other camper, and this actually does have 2 air conditionings on it, and it's just made so it's not gonna get super hot in there. So you don't have to worry about that if that is a concern. But anyway, let's get into it. We are on the entertainment side. We have our entryway door out here, 2 awnings. You also have some slide toppers, if you can see that. We have some LED light strips that go under those awnings. They are blue, which is a little bit different. I really like that. And they're still just as bright as the regular ones. And we do have some indoor-outdoor speakers out here, so you can listen to music inside and outside. And we actually do have frameless windows, so I really like that cohesive look. And a little bit different, we do have our safety rail on this one. Different units have different rails to get inside. This one's kind of an upgraded one, kind of more of a safety measure, so that's always a plus. Now, let's check out your storage. In the front of this Cougar, we do have a massive pass-through storage space. You can see I can almost put my arms all the way out. You have a ton of room down here. We actually do have an easy to clean out floor, and it is gripped, so if you have different things down here you don't want rolling around when you're going down the road, you don't have to worry about that. We do have a couple of lights in here, some LED strips to keep it bright. We also have some electrical outlets. And over on your side, you have your convenience bay with all the hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. Now, let's check out the inside. When you walk in, over on our right-hand side is our in-command touchscreen control panel. That's where you're gonna control all of your awnings, your lights, and your slides. We also have a couple switches up here for different things, including your battery, your heat, some fans, all that kinds of stuff. Now, let's move into the kitchen. In our kitchen, we do have this gorgeous fridge right here. This specific one does have a Furrion. You have plenty of room for your groceries, and check out all that room for your ice cream. Now, moving on over here, we do have some countertop space. We also have these on both sides that do come up, giving you a couple places to plug different things in. Over on the other side, we do have our typical 3-burner stovetop with that splash guard. You have some storage up here for pots and pans, a spice rack up here, more storage on the other side. You have some more plug-ins over here, some more countertop space. Underneath, you do have your oven, and on both sides of that, you do have even more storage for your plates, cups, pots, pans, really anything you need. And over on the other side, we do have our island, so let's switch views and check it out. First off, we do have this gorgeous light feature up here, just makes it look a little bit more cute in here. Down below that, we have a ton of countertop space on this island. They've given you a drying rack, and this is a 2-panel sink in here, 2 different compartments, so you can have clean dishes on one side and dirty on the other. You also do have a retractable sink nozzle, plenty of storage in the island for all of your cleaning supplies. Over on the left-hand side, we have a couple of drawers, including a little thing for your silverware, but they've actually given you some specific storage. Over on this side, this slides out, giving you 2 garbage cans, and then you have this area right here to put your paper towels and some other stuff. But behind me is definitely the best part. We do have our pantry right here. This opens up, and check out just how big that pantry is. You can put all the cereal, all of your groceries, anything you want in there. Massive space. And on the other side, I know you're thinking, oh wow, another pantry? You're wrong. This is actually a half bath. Let's move in here and look at it. In the bathroom, you have all the necessities for your living space. You do have a porcelain step to flush toilet on this side, and on the other side, you do have a mirror front medicine cabinet. We have some electrical outlets, a sink with a pretty good amount of storage space right around it, and you even have some underneath storage for all of that toilet paper. Now, let's check out our living room. In one of our 3 sides, we do have our dinette. You have 4 chairs right here. Pretty comfortable chairs, might I add. This is perfect to eat dinner as a family. On the other side of that, we do have our theater seats. Again, super comfy. You do have a couple of cup holders right here that do have lights in them. These do have little pulleys so you can kick these feet out and don't worry about hitting that window because that is made specifically for this area. And you also do have some storage right here. I like to throw my remotes in there so they don't get lost. Maybe add a couple of chargers because you do have some USB ports on both sides. But that's not all of our seating because over here we do have another sofa. This one, again, you guys, super comfortable, and it does roll over into a sleeping space. So if you have a couple of extra guests at the campground, they're gonna have a place to sleep as well. And they have a ton of storage for all of their bags because we have some overhead storage, a lot of space for their different items. Or if you want to put some extra blankets in there, maybe some board games for the kiddos to play out here, you do have that. We also do have 2 tables on both sides so you can set some food if you want to eat some popcorn and watch a movie. Or you actually have some storage in here as well, and an electrical outlet and a charging place. And we also do have our entertainment center over here. This up here is a little bit of storage, great to throw some extra items in. You have your indoor-outdoor speaker system, a massive TV right here, and check out this huge drawer. This opens up, giving you a ton of space for all your board games and different items. Maybe you want to have all your movies stashed in here. That's great as well. And the best part is down below because we do have our fireplace. This works as a heat element too for those summer months. And we actually do have some hidden storage behind here. There's a couple shelves. So if you want to have some things hidden away, maybe you don't want it in plain sight, or if you just have a lot of junk like me, you need to get out of the way, you can shove it back there so nobody can see that. Now, check out our bedroom. Up the steps is our bedroom. And in here we do have this gorgeous king size bed. You have a couple of windows back here. You can see those shelves up there so you can set your reading glasses on. And over in this corner we actually do have a little cubby hole. If you want to decorate that, or if you just want to fold up some extra blankets, that's a perfect place for that. You also have an electric outlet up there and a couple USB and USB-C ports. And over on this side you have those as well. And we actually do have some storage over here. You have this nice little dresser area. Let's see. We have some drawers right here, a couple more drawers underneath, and you have some closet spaces over here with a couple more shelves to put all of your things in. And I know you're thinking, that's not a ton of storage. Am I gonna get more? Y'all just wait. You are not prepared to see what is behind me because right now we do have our bathroom. This is gorgeous in here. You can see over here we do have this massive mirror, tons of countertop space. I have a ton of makeup, so I will have that scattered all the way across this. You have an electrical outlet, your sink, some storage underneath. Honestly, those are some huge drawers. Let's open one of those up. Massive drawers. On the other side, you do have a porcelain step to flush toilet, a place for your towel above that. And we have this gorgeous shower. Lots of space in here. You have a skylight, some places for your shampoos. You also do have a seat in here. And on the other side, we do have our detachable shower head. But for the best part, the massive closet. Let's open it up and check it out. Y'all, this is the best part. We do have a walk-in closet. You can see it's massive. You have places to hang your shirts all the way around. Tons of storage as well. You have a ton of tabletops in here, a lot of drawers for all your socks, and over here is probably my favorite part. We have plenty of space for all of your shoes that you have. You also have some chargers in here, some electrical outlets, but this is what you're gonna ask about. Is it washer dryer capable? It absolutely is. We have a washer dryer hookup on this side, and you have a place for your dryer over here, so you can easily come in here, hang up all your clothes, and wash and dry them. What could be better? So if you're interested in this or any other camper in our Keystone line, make sure you give us a call, a text, or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.